Welcome to the channel, guys. We humans like to think we're the smartest creatures on the planet, but the animal kingdom is filled with some serious brain power. From incredible memory to complex problem solving, some animals might be a lot smarter than you think. Today we're counting down our definitive list of the world's smartest animals. Get ready, some of these might surprise you. Let's get to it. Number 10. The rat. Now I know what you might be thinking. Rats? But hear me out. There's a reason they're so successful at surviving and thriving in our cities. Rats are incredible learners and possess what scientists call metacognition, which is the ability to know what they don't know. In experiments, they've shown they can make decisions based on whether they're sure about an outcome, a sign of higher level thinking that was once thought to be uniquely human. They are masters at navigating complex mazes and can remember routes for long periods, even applying that knowledge to new similar puzzles. Their social intelligence is also impressive. They communicate using ultrasonic vocalizations, show empathy, and have been observed helping other rats that are in distress or trapped. Number 9. The pig. Pigs are often unfairly stereotyped, but scientifically speaking, they are among the most intelligent and emotionally complex animals on the farm. They can learn to play simple joystick-controlled video games, a task that requires understanding the connection between the joystick's movement and the cursor on the screen. They also understand the concept of reflections in a mirror at a very young age and can use the reflection to find hidden food. This demonstrates a level of abstract thought. Pigs have excellent long-term memory and are fantastic problem solvers, often outperforming dogs in certain cognitive tests. They also form complex social groups, learn from each other, and communicate with a wide variety of oinks and squeals. Number 8. The crow. Crows are so intelligent they are often called feathered apes. Their brain-to-body size ratio is comparable to that of great apes, and they use it to incredible effect. Crows are masters of tool use and even tool manufacturing. In the wild, they've been observed using sticks to poke insects out of logs, and in one famous experiment, a New Caledonian crow bent a piece of wire into a hook to retrieve a food basket from a tube, a feat of spontaneous problem solving. They can recognize and remember human faces for years, associating certain faces with positive or negative experiences, and will even pass this information on to other crows. They also understand complex concepts like water displacement, patiently dropping stones into a container to raise the water level to get a floating treat. Number 7. The octopus. As the only invertebrate on our list, the octopus is a true marvel of evolution. It has a large, complex brain, but 2/3 of its neurons are actually located in its arms, meaning each arm can think and act independently to explore and manipulate objects. Octopuses are legendary escape artists, capable of opening jars from the inside, squeezing their boneless bodies through impossibly small openings, and navigating complex mazes. They've also been seen using tools like carrying coconut shells around for a portable shelter. They are masters of camouflage and can solve problems through observation and learning, proving that high intelligence can evolve in a completely different way from vertebrates. Number 6. The African gray parrot. These birds are famous for their ability to mimic human speech, but their intelligence goes far beyond simple imitation. An African gray parrot named Alex, who was part of a 30-year study at Harvard University, became world famous for his cognitive abilities. He could identify more than 50 different objects, recognize quantities up to 6, and understand abstract concepts like same and different, as well as color and shape. African greys don't just repeat words. They can use them in context to communicate their needs and wants. This demonstrates a deep level of abstract and conceptual thinking that is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom and is often compared to that of a young child. Number 5. The elephant. Elephants are renowned for their incredible memory and deep emotional intelligence. Their brains are the largest of any land animal, and they use them for complex social interactions and problem solving. They live in tight-knit, matriarchal family groups where they show empathy, comfort each other, and cooperate to achieve a common goal. They have been observed mourning their dead and participating in what appear to be funeral rituals. Elephants also demonstrate self-awareness by recognizing themselves in mirrors, a test passed by only a handful of species. Their problem-solving skills are excellent, and they are known to use a variety of tools, from using branches as fly swatters to dropping rocks on electric fences to disable them. Number 4. The bonobo. Bonobos, often called the peaceful cousins of chimpanzees, are among the most emotionally and socially intelligent animals on Earth. While they share nearly 99% of their DNA with humans, they differ greatly in behavior. Instead of aggression and dominance, bonobos use empathy, cooperation, and even affection to maintain harmony in their groups. They are capable of understanding complex social dynamics, using gestures and vocalizations to communicate intentions, resolve conflicts, and strengthen bonds. Bonobos also demonstrate remarkable self-awareness, tool use, and cultural behaviors that are passed down through generations. Their ability to empathize, cooperate, and communicate places them at the very top tier of non-human intelligence, just below their chimpanzee relatives. Number 3. The orangutan. Orangutans are highly intelligent great apes known for their patient, deliberate problem-solving skills and incredible cognitive abilities. They are masters of tool use and can even be taught basic sign language. In one famous example, an orangutan in a sanctuary learned how to use a saw by watching human construction workers and then used it to cut branches. They have the ability to plan for the future, a cognitive skill known as mental time travel. Orangutans also have distinct cultural traditions that are passed down from generation to generation within their social groups, like using leaves as gloves when handling spiny fruit or building specific types of nests. Number 2. The bottlenose dolphin. Dolphins have large, complex brains with a highly developed neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher-order thinking and emotional processing. They are incredibly social creatures that live in large pods with complex social structures and hierarchies. Dolphins communicate using a sophisticated system of clicks and whistles, and some studies suggest they may even have unique signature whistles that act like names for each other. They are capable of abstract thought, complex problem solving, and show clear signs of self-awareness, easily recognizing themselves in mirrors. Their ability to learn and teach new hunting techniques, like using sea sponges to protect their noses while foraging, shows a high level of cultural transmission. Number 1. The chimpanzee. Sharing almost 99% of our DNA, chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, and their intelligence is simply astounding. They live in complex hierarchical societies where they form alliances, engage in complex political maneuvering, and show deep emotional bonds. Chimpanzees are the most sophisticated tool users in the animal kingdom besides humans, using everything from sticks to fish for termites, to stones to crack nuts, to leaves as sponges for drinking water. They can learn sign language, demonstrate incredible short-term memory that can surpass that of humans, and wage coordinated strategic warfare against rival groups. Their ability to learn, teach, and pass down complex cultural traditions makes them the undisputed champions of non-human intelligence on planet Earth. And there you have it, our ranking of the world's smartest animals. Just so you know, this list is based on a consensus from scientific studies, looking at factors like problem-solving abilities, tool use, memory, social complexity, and self-awareness. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Global Top Picks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next global countdown. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.